And then they will be building another one here for the sister of the owner. So there will be 2 tiny houses in this area. Tempa ko. So I'm here in the inside of the little tiny house. As you can see, they have already varnished the wall cladding of the paluchina, and the toilets are already tiled, but the wash and basin and the toilet bowls are not installed yet, but the windows has been installed, and the ceiling of the toilet has not been done yet. Only the tiled wall and the tiled floor. And this is gonna be the stairs area, and you can see it's not been installed yet as well, but the wall cladding have already been varnished, and they said they already also treated the walls of this cladding that they do. They have the windows here now. It's anodized glass sliding door, and also they have the door, so they're planning to connect like a dirty washing area around here, connected to their old house. So you can see someone digging there for the column. So there will be another house, since they have like the land is enough for a 2 house. So they will have a connected 2 tiny houses here. So that's why they're creating columns for the next one. So they destroyed the shed that used to be there, the house that they used to live in, and now they're building another tiny house. So they'll be connected to this door. So you can see they got the toilet ready to install, and this is the windows facing front. And also they have the front door of the tiny house matching. Mas dako ni siya kay daha dong, no? Ang magdako ga. So this is large size than the one for the back door. So you can see the back door here looks narrower, around 60. And this is the front door. The same design, but the front door is just bigger. And they have tiled as well the front of the house. And another thing that they've done, they installed the sliding doors on the bedroom upstairs. So like I said, it's open to an extension of balcony, but right now it doesn't seem to be having a balcony up there on the bedroom, but it seems to be open for a balcony since there is a door. So they have also painted the house in gray. So you can see it from here. So it's all gray in color. The wood there, and then the C-purlins or the I-beams that supports the whole house is painted with brown. So it's all connected to the I-beams, the aluminum doors that they installed with the glass. And then they will be building another one here for the sister of the owner. So there will be 2 tiny houses in this area. So duha na gyud ang kabalay ni di adiri dong. So there'll be 2 tiny house. They will be building another one on the side. And this is the first one that I featured. So I think most of you can remember. So it's almost done. What's lacking is the toilet installation, the kitchen cabinet that you can see on the front. There, they make their own kitchen cabinets. There you can see that will be installed inside the kitchen. And the stairs. All the electrics is already been connected. In fact, at night they have temporary bulbs on. And I want to show you how they do the rebars here in the Philippines. Look. Kung saan is this size nino? 16mm rebars for columns. Because the other house will have a different design tiny house. It won't be using. Di din gamitag H-beam diri. I-beam. So it's a different design house. That's why they're using the 16mm rebars. And that's how they use it here. Yeah, G is yung stir up dong. 12? 12 na ga? Stir up? 10. So 16mm. The stir up is 10mm. Nga imong mating aniga. G is gapon. 12. So the mating kana no? Lagi. So they will be building a different style tiny house around this area. Not using a H-beam. Because the owner would rather have the traditional column and put the rebars. Because this build of the tiny house is quite new here in the Philippines. It's not been tested yet, but we'll soon see. But we can see already that it's quite strong. And for the price of $10,000, you got a tiny house that's comfortable to live in. And this is how they do the matting. It's made of 12mm rebar. And the columns in. Because I am familiar with this thing because this is how I built my house. For me, it's 16mm for my matting. And 20mm rebars for my columns. Not only 6 pieces, I have some columns have 12 to 15 rebars in one column, especially in the crucial areas of my house. That I have to import some of that before to have the proper grade of the proper gauge, I mean, for the rebars. I incorporate the importation here from some company that allows me to incorporate imports of rebars when I've done my retaining wall. So there you have it. There will be another tiny house that I'll be updating, but this is the present update of this tiny house. Only a few things needed. The stairs going up the bedroom, the installation of the toilet, and the installation of the kitchen, and I think it's all ready now. And then there will be like a dirty area washing on the side from the kitchen door. You can see here, because as you can see when we go in, that's the main door. And this is the windows. And this is where the cabinet's gonna go on that side. That will be the kitchen. So this cabinet will go there. This is like a with drawers and worktops. So ang cabinet ari ni diriga no. So that will be the kitchen area, and beside it that will be the door going out to the laundry area. And this is the little lounge where the window is. So, and then the stairs. Pila di sukod aning bayad dong? Pila kay sukod ato kung sukdun nakay kuan diha. Gay. Pilay gilap dun. So they're gonna really what's the living area, measure it up for me. Pili ko nuga. So that's 8. 8. Hindi ka nagang sumpay. So that's 8. 8 foot. Aga, pila.
Patro? Kuwasan mo size.
Dusi. Nga. Ang dusi, no? Dusi, 12 foot.
Kuan, 13. Nako, may 14 kay damang gawas.
Oh. So, 14 foot by kaniga. So, the inside is 14 foot.
So, mga G, sabi mo.
G's. So 14 by 10. 14 foot by 10 is the living space. Up and down. Okay sa tiyaga eh. Naligon kaayo. So it's 14 by 10 at $10,000 finished thing.